Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete heavy files on Macbook. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So you need to go to the Apple icon at the top left, click on About this Mac, click on More Info. It should pop up this window. You want to scroll to the bottom and click on Storage Settings. As you can see, I have 76 gigabytes for my document, which is a lot. What you want to do is you want to click on the exclamation point, and here you will see these are the heaviest file on my MacBook, and if I want to delete them in like a multiple file at a single time, I want to command click on this, and then I just have to click delete to be able to delete multiple files. But yeah, this is how you would find heavy files to delete on your MacBook. Thank you.